I think last over 70 years of progress is the basis of our determination, our hope, the further development. I always expressing, India, you see, can combine modern education, modern technology, material development, at the same time, mental development. That brings peace of mind. Material development alone, no guarantee bring peace of mind. So India, you have, I think, 1,000-year-old knowledge how to tackle our emotion. So now this, I quite frankly telling my Indian friend, you see, modern India, a little bit neglected these things. Now must revival. Thank you.
And why did you cancel your Botswana visit?
Because, you see, reason why I visit Ladakh, usually, you see, very good for rest. But this time, you see, high altitude, you see, creates some feeling of tiredness. Then after that, you see, some program in Delhi and also Bombay, too much tired. And then from Bombay to the African state, 8 hours flight. So, when I reach there, I may sort of say need, because remain like that. So then I thought better, you see, cancel. Although great sort of regret. Firstly, President, very, very keen. And then secondly, my friend, mischievous Bishop Tutu, that's one Tutu, coming there. So I am very, very eager to reunion two mischievous person. But I really, so great sort of sad. But I already sort of expressed in near future. I think within this year, I'm determined to visit Kasa, Botswana, like that. So thank you. Ladalia, you know, much of Kagame, very toss, much of Chess, Tanshu Cheng chance. That's all I believe to the addition. I don't give a shoe, and was so Tanshu. That Dharamsala ya yon che. Any dra ni sun bag is still taking that. Yeah, budget must recharge.